Hello students, this is Mr. Hyde again, and welcome back to another lesson in physical education. Today, me and my other instructors are going to be integrating math into PE again as well. So throughout this lesson, we will be doing that with our different activities once again. So for my activity, what we are going to be doing is a coin flip, then finding ratios of those coin flips. So what you'll need is a pen or pencil, a piece of paper, and a coin. So you can pause it right now and go get those things and then come back for the rest of the instructions, or you can listen to all the instructions and then do the activity. So once you have all those things, for this activity, once again, we're working on math and PE, so students will be told for this activity we will be working on ratios and turning them into fractions and percents as well. So you write down 10 lines on your piece of paper, and then on each line what you're going to do is put a line for guessing, one spot for guessing on your line, and you'll guess your flip before, either heads or tails, and then you'll do your flip and you'll write down the actual, whether it's heads or tails as well. So each line will have a guess on it and then the actual one as well. So heads and tails for a guess, or heads and tails for the actual as well. So you'll flip each time, and after each flip you will do an exercise as well. So you'll guess, then you'll flip, write them down, and then you will do the exercise that goes with that. So for heads, we are working on doing, we are running in place for 5 seconds. So if you land on a heads on your flip, you'll write it down and then you'll get up and run in place for 5 seconds. Or if it lands on tails, you will do 5 jumping jacks. So you will do that. So we're going to flip 10 times. You're going to guess before each flip. Then you're going to write down your actual flip, whether it was heads or tails. And then you'll do each exercise after each flip as well. So it's either 5 jumping jacks if you got tails, or 5 seconds of running in place if you got heads. After you do all your flips, I want you to find your head to tails ratio of your guessing and your heads to tails ratio of your actuals. And then once you find those ratios, I want you to put them into fractions, and then I want you to put them into percents as well for heads and tails. The fractions will be for heads and tails as well. So I have an example on the slide for you to look at if you have any questions about how the ratios and then the percents look. So if there's any other things, just look at the slide, and I hope you enjoy the activity. Thanks.